All
We're
right.
gonna have another one now. Because they're looking so cute.
Your toy back? No.
Who is this?
What?
Hi.
Real quick.
I'm sorry.
No.
Come on, guys. Mugsy, sing for us. Oh. What are you guys doing? What's up, baby girl? You waiting for mommy? She'll be back out. What, girl? What? 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 You! Yeah. Oh, yeah, you tell him, Muggsy. I got him on tape. Awesome.
It's biscuit time.
It's biscuit. Oh, that's why.
Oh, dessert.
Dessert. Oh.
Let's do.
Even Anya knows that. Oh, look at that. Look at that little pug Dixie. She's a little cheater. She fits right into it.
Hold off your head. You got it.
Oh. She sits pretty.
There you go.
Oh, my.
Pug scuffle.
Pug scuffle.
Did somebody get yours, Mugs? Look here.
Yeah. Anya, sit. Good girl.
Oh.
Oh, goodness.
She got it.
Anya
She
did?
got it. I'm gonna get Charlie Bears. These things are
Oh.
too big.
Oh, Charlie Bell, Charlie Bell. Anya, sit nice. Get your bottom down. Good girl.
Here.
It's okay on you.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
you didn't catch one of them. And you're losing out, dude. There you go.
There you go. Sit nice. Oh, girl.
There you go. That's enough. We're all getting too worked up.
Okay. All right.
There could be an extra one somewhere.
Yeah, goodness. Maybe there is. Come on. We need more talking.
I think I got nothing to say.
Yeah.
Nothing to say about this.
We're just going to go back to the spot now. Is
My
he?
bad.
Is he? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Here, right behind me.
Aw. 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 Girls. Are we going to go up the stairs?
What they're doing.
What are we doing? Anya's just following him around. Okay, you know how hard it is to try. Anya.
Come here.
Snorting crack.
Let's go up the stairs. What butts up the stairs?
Yeah.
We'll go up into the messy room.
Come on, guys.
You like the messy room? We got nothing but.
Oh, well.
That's all I gotta say about that.
And this is Martha's awesome room.
It's a mess.
It's a room of awesome. Hi, Anya. Anya, you're so disappointed.
This is not food. No. Not food at all.
Anya, why are you hanging out here?
I know.
Oh.
Boring.
Okay, well. Say something, Mugs. Okay. Say, I love you. I love you, even though you're deaf.
Ooh.
I love you.
Yeah, he and Pixie to get to play in.
I love you. Hi, Pixie. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're going to follow the big boy. Oh, bye, big boy. She's like, I want to go in my chair.
Is that her chair?
Mm-hmm.
That's your chair.
Aw.
What? 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 Oh, bite your brother in the face.
Oh, Pixie.
Some people don't like to be bit on the face.
Yeah,
I think
Pix.
that's real cool, but
Don't do that telling you now.
some people don't like that.
Oh. Oh. We having a little tussle?
What you doing?
But you guys were sleeping.
Nothing, guys.
Anya.
Nothing.